Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is a little bit of a channel update I'm going to give you. First of all, just thanks for everyone who's been subscribing and watching my videos so far. I have surpassed 50 subscribers, so that's a surprise to me, but that's working its way through the YouTube algorithm and I guess finding the right people to subscribe. So thank you for that. If anyone else hasn't subscribed, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Going forward here, I got a couple of other projects I'm working on to bring to the channel. I don't want to say too much about them right now. They're a little bit just more things I'm interested in and like to share with on YouTube. So, and see if I can produce them in a way that's interesting. So that's what I'm going to be trying to do with those two projects. One is not Lego related. That's probably coming sooner. And then the other one would be Lego related, but it's going to be later on. We'll see how that goes. For the Lego storage, because I've been working on the other project, I haven't worked on the new shelves as well, as I haven't been everything I printed out has made enough storage for my existing Lego that we have for myself and my daughter. So I'm going to need to print them soon, so that should maybe come up in maybe a month. I don't know if that'll be before then, but we'll see. I've been fleshing out exactly what that shelf design needs to be like, so we'll see how I get along with that. And hopefully that works out, because that would make it a lot less printing, and I should be able to make it a lot easier to make the shelves for the drawers to go into. So if it does work out, that will be pretty good. So if you'd like to see that, also just stay tuned, and that should come up eventually. So anyway, that's just a little update, and thanks for watching. I'll be doing a Camaro build next here on the channel, so if you want to see that, of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and take it easy.